Hello friends, you're welcome back to this channel. What I have today is how to make a very beautiful pattern, and you will really like it. I want to believe that. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here where I crochet 3 times. I proceed. So I proceed. Can you see? This one here serves as my border for this pattern. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4 at the base. I insert in the fourth loop with single crochet. I chain another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. I insert also in the fourth loop. Now I'll be crocheting 3 times here in this loop. So I proceed. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. I chain another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I yarn over this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple. I make a crochet 3 times, which I call triple crochet. So I proceed. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 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 So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So I move into the next loop. Now, as you can see, I've completed the round. So it's going to be repeated process till I complete this tutorial. You see. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I crochet 3 times. Next loop. Next. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also completed this round. So as you can see right here, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see this pattern? Unique and beautiful. So thank you very much. I appreciate you all for always being there, especially for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much. And if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. Here is a channel where you can learn a lot. All you need to do is to quickly click on the subscribe button below, and you hit on the notification bell as well, so that you can have access to my videos. Thank you very much. Now if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You click on the thumbs up button, that is the liking button, to support this work. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again. In case you have any question regarding this video, kindly let me know. You post your question in the comment section. So bye for now.